Hello guys, this is my book today, and I got it from my mom ordered it from the computer, and it just came today. So, I like it.
Can you open the book and show us why
Sure.
you like it?
Sure. This is what it looks like.
Okay, we can't show all the pages, but can you show us why you like it so much?
It has these openings.
It's flaps.
Yep, it has these flaps that you can see inside.
Oh, how cool, huh?
Yep. Oh, guys.
Oh, look at that now.
This is very big. I don't know if I'm okay.
I'll hold it for you.
There's bigger flap. It's too wiggly. There's more flaps. This is when it's all gone. This is the inside the mouth. Here's the teeth. Here's the teeth right there. And this is where all the food goes.
Pretty cool, huh?
And when in your body, there's two pipes in your throat. There's one to breathe and one to swallow. So you gotta be careful when you're eating. This is what is it called, Mama?
It's your blood veins. Oh, in your liver, next to your liver.
It's called your liver. When the green part of your liver pops, you can die.
Okay, but is this?
Look inside the tummy.
Is that why you like this book? Is this book
Yeah.
one of your favorites, isn't it?
Yeah. And look.
Okay, we're not gonna show the whole book, okay?
I want you. And this is.
But we can't.
But this is when the food is all done. It goes to your.
It goes to be.
It goes to be turned into the toilet when it goes potty.
Okay.
It turns all garbage.
Can you close the book now and show the front again?
And this is where the poop comes out. Poop. Okay.
Show the front of the book. So this is the sea inside your body.
Yeah.
Can you say bye?
No, what about the... I want to tell it and how you like it and love it.
But it's a very long video already. We need to finish.
Oh, guys, press the like button and tell us and how you love it or like it. Because I really like it and I want it. We couldn't show you all the